welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Tachiyomi app, right? Because the Tachiyomi is not on Play Store, but you can also get it from the Chrome browser. So all you need to do is open up your Chrome browser just like this, and you can see the Tachiyomi. So you just need to click on search and the search on Tachiyomi, and once you click on that, you can now scroll down. Just click on this that says get the latest version. Click on it. You can see it. So once it's loaded, you scroll all the way down, and once you're down, you can see downloading. So you can see download. Click on this arrow and it will start downloading. So you click on download again, and once you click on it, it starts downloading. Click on it and you can see, because I've downloaded mine before, all you need to click on it and it's going to start installing or start updating. Then after you do that now, you just come and you can see the Tachiyomi app as an install. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.